Imagine a future where diseases are cured from within, not by pills or surgery, but by machines swimming through your bloodstream. Tiny robots, smaller than a cell, navigating arteries, sensing cancerous cells, repairing tissues, even editing DNA. No incisions, no side effects, just precise healing from the inside. Sound like science fiction? It's closer than you think. Welcome to the age of medical nanobots, where your body becomes the playground for machines of healing. So, what are nanobots? Nano means a billionth. A nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter. These are robots at molecular or cellular scales. Think of them as microscopic machines engineered to operate inside living bodies. They may have sensors, actuators, onboard logic, and sometimes carry therapeutic cargo, drugs, molecules, repair kits. The vision: inject these nanobots into the bloodstream and let them patrol every nook of the body, looking for trouble. From detecting early cancer to healing spinal injuries, their promise is extraordinary. Of course, this is not pure fiction. Many labs worldwide are racing to build prototypes, test them in animals, and overcome the immense challenges of working at nanoscale. What's already happening, and what still lies ahead? Let's explore. To operate inside the body, nanobots face a hostile and chaotic environment. Blood flow, cellular walls, immune reactions, variable pH, biochemical noise. Here's a rough functional breakdown. Navigation and propulsion. Some nanobots use magnetic fields, chemical gradients, acoustic waves, or enzyme-powered motors to move. They respond to cues like temperature, pH, chemical markers. Therapeutic payload/action. Once a target is found, the nanobot can release a drug, generate heat, hyperthermia, deliver a gene edit, or send a signal to the immune system. Communication and control. In swarms, bots may coordinate, share data, avoid overlap, optimize coverage. Some research even simulates AI, reinforcement learning navigation. All this must happen without crashing into healthy cells, being cleared by the immune system, or draining power too fast. It's a symphony of engineering, biology, and control theory. We already see promising steps toward this vision. In cancer therapy, nanobots are being used for targeted drug delivery, delivering chemotherapy agents directly to tumor cells while sparing healthy tissue. In research, some nanobots scan each cell in the body, looking for abnormal metabolic states. If a cell looks suspicious, the bot triggers a response, either marking it for immune destruction or releasing a drug locally. A recent study proposed driven nanobots using reinforcement learning to navigate complex environments and target diffuse cancer cells. In dental medicine, a team in India developed magnetic nanobots named CalBots that traverse dentinal channels and form plugs to mitigate tooth sensitivity, a real, demonstrable application in a living system. More broadly, micro-nanorobot systems are being tested in diagnostics, biosensing, minimally invasive surgery, and targeted therapy. Why is this so transformative? Precision and minimal collateral damage. Traditional therapies, like chemo, affect the whole body. Nanobots localize action to diseased cells, sparing healthy tissue. Access to hidden places. Some tissues, tumors, or nerve fibers are hard to reach with surgery or systemic drugs. Nanobots can enter microfractures, cross the blood-brain barrier, and reach deep tissues. Adaptive response. They can dynamically respond. If a target mutates, the nanobot can sense the change and adjust delivery or path. Continuous monitoring plus therapy. They don't just act once, they can patrol, measure, record, and intervene as needed, like an internal medical army. Reduced invasiveness. No big incisions, no long recovery. Treatments could be done via injection or infusion. For patients and health systems, this means faster recovery, fewer side effects, and lower overall risk. But building nanobots that reliably work inside humans is enormously difficult. Here are the main obstacles. Biocompatibility and immune response. The body's immune system cleans up foreign entities. Nanobots must avoid detection or use stealth coatings. Precise control and localization. At nanoscale, Brownian motion, random movement, dominates. Steering bots reliably is a huge engineering challenge. Power and energy. How do you power something so small? Chemical fuels, environmental energy harvesting, wireless power. Each has trade-offs. Safety and toxicity. Nanomaterials can be toxic. Ensuring materials are safe over long times is essential. Manufacturing and scaling. Producing trillions of reliable nanobots cost-effectively is a non-trivial problem. Regulation, ethics, and oversight. Who controls them? What if a nanobot mutates, misbehaves, or is hacked? Ethical frameworks must evolve in step. Because of these challenges, most applications today remain in preclinical or laboratory phases, not widespread medical use. Whenever you introduce autonomous agents inside bodies, risks follow. Unintended damage. A malfunctioning bot might attack healthy cells or disrupt metabolic pathways, hijacking and security. Could someone hack your internal bots? Could they be diverted to malicious ends, stealth, and control loss? Bots that evade immune detection might persist uncontrollably. Inequality of access. The first versions may be extremely expensive, accessible only to a few, widening health disparities. Identity and autonomy. If your body hosts machine agents that influence your physiology and thoughts, where do you end and machine begin? Ethical design demands not only safety protocols, but transparency, consent, and accountability. So, what might we see in the next decade? Hybrid bio-nanobots, integrating biological parts, cells, proteins, with mechanical structures to improve compatibility and self-repair. Smarter swarms, algorithms coordinating thousands or millions of bots for teamwork, division of labor, emergent behaviors. Clinical trials, small human trials for targeted tumor treatment, wound healing, restoring damaged tissues. Diagnostics on steroids, nanobots detecting disease decades before symptoms, offering preventive interventions. Symbiosis of human plus machine, a future where medical bots are part of our physiology, repair crews ever present in our body. Researchers also explore combining nanobots with AI to allow autonomous tweaks, route planning, target adaptation, turning bots into intelligent surgeons at nanoscale. Yet real transformative change demands breakthroughs in materials science, control, safety, regulation, and public trust. Let's pause and consider what this means. We treat disease from outside, surgery, pills, radiation, because our bodies are opaque. But nanobots invert that. The machine enters you. Disease becomes architecture. Healing becomes design. If machines inside you guide your health, who controls your biology? If a bot edits your DNA, is it you or the engineer who programmed it? Will we become biological platforms served by machines, or will we merge human plus machine as a new entity? The relationship between medicine, identity, agency, and autonomy will evolve. Nanobots are not fantasy. They are one of the most plausible frontiers in medicine. They promise precision, minimal invasiveness, adaptive therapy, and real internal healing. But enormous challenges remain: safety, control, ethics, scale. The future is not that bots dominate us, it's that we evolve with them. And the question shifts from, can we cure disease? To, how do we become the authors of our own biology? We stand at a threshold. In the coming decades, what was once science fiction may become our internal reality.